Years ago, I realised how my mindset was silently sabotaging my financial success. But fear not, because I also discovered some amazing strategies to fix it. I'm going to share my personal journey and tips on how to transform your mindset and improve your financial situation. Let's get started. Number 1, uncovering the mindset problem. I used to live paycheck to paycheck, never being able to save or invest properly. I felt stuck and frustrated. That's when I realized the problem was not my income, but my mindset. I was trapped in a scarcity mindset, constantly worrying about money and believing there was never enough. This mindset affected my choices. I would spend impulsively, not budget effectively, and avoid taking risks that could have led to financial growth. It was a vicious cycle, and I knew something had to change. 2, shifting from scarcity to abundance. After realizing my mindset was the root cause of my financial struggles, I embarked on a journey to shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. This was a game changer. I began practicing gratitude for what I already had. I focused on acknowledging the abundance in my life rather than dwelling on what I lacked. It helped me appreciate the present and attract more positivity. I also started educating myself about money management and investing. It took time, and I'm still working on it now, but I have gained the knowledge and confidence to make better financial decisions. 3, building a wealth mindset. As my mindset started to shift, I realized the importance of setting clear financial goals and developing a wealth mindset. I started setting realistic and achievable goals, both short-term and long-term. Breaking them down into smaller milestones allowed me to track my progress and stay motivated. 4, implementing financial habits. With my mindset transformed and a solid foundation in place, it was time to implement effective financial habits that would support my new mindset and drive wealth creation. I developed a budgeting system tailored to my needs and priorities. It helped me identify areas where I could cut back on unnecessary expenses and allocate more funds towards savings and investments. I like to use a zero-based budget and give every penny a place and purpose in my budget. I also learned the importance of automating savings and considering long-term plans such as retirement. These small steps made a significant difference in building wealth over time. 5, reviewing progress and celebrating success. It's important to go back through lots of these steps and see how things changed over time. Take note of all the things you accomplish and really try to notice these subtle ways that you think differently about finance. Celebrating your successes is a great way to keep your mindset positive and motivated to achieve your financial goals. Let me know in the comments a part of your financial journey you are celebrating at the moment. Like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Thank you for watching. Bye.